Okay friends, to get started on our switch, we're going to come right along this area with a plastic trim tool. Go along the front, we're going to be able to pop this up, slide it forward, and lift it up and out. Now we have a nice clear view of the back side of our switch. The next thing we're going to need is a pocket screwdriver so we can push on this tab right under here, and then we can draw off the wiring harness. There we are. Now looking along the side, you're going to be able to see where you have two rectangular slots. There's going to be two on the other side as well. What I'm going to do is continue with my pocket screwdriver, come in between this area right here, and separate it from the switch very gently. Do the same on the other side. And then lift it up and out. There it is, friends. Now it's time to put in our brand new mirror switch. Let's go ahead and line it up with where it needs to go. We've got our little pitons that fall into the slots, and then we'll carefully push it down and listen for a click. There we are. Make sure that it's completely secured. You definitely don't want this to fall out when you go to use your mirror switch. Now let's go ahead and connect in our wiring. We're going to press this in and give it a click as well. There we are. A nice tug. Perfect. Now we're going to put this back into the door panel. You've got this area right along here. That needs to slide underneath here, and then we'll push down on the forward side and lock that in. Slide it under, line it up, press it down. Okay, so now all you have to do is go ahead and put the key in the on position, test your switch, make sure it works properly.